Alright, g'day there buddy, welcome out here to AJ Hackett's Cairns, Australia. That's right, it's the lush tropical rainforest of far northern Queensland. Alrighty, get your toes on the edge there buddy, a nice big dive out and hands up, chin down for that water. Alrighty, awesome stuff buddy, congratulations, welcome to the wild world of bungee. That's right, it's all thanks to that fantastic bit of elastic. Alright buddy, touchdown time is coming your way. We'll get a nice big smile and a wave of ya. Here we go, touchdown time. Awesome stuff, buddy. We're gonna leave you there and head up that tower to the crazy, crazy crew. There they are there. And out to the crazy view. Thanks for jumping with us. See you next time.